Good afternoon, class 6. Today I am going to tell you transition effect as well as how you will remove the transition on the particular slide. First of all, I am going to insert clip art. Just go to insert, then click on the clip art option. At the right side there is I am giving the flower and click on the go to flower will appear. Just I am clicking any one flower and just I increase the size. Okay, and just I also reposition it, that means middle on the placeholder. Okay, then after that once again I want to a new page, just click on the new slide. Okay, I already told you the shortcut key of new slide is Control M. Okay, then just go to the insert, then click on the picture. Okay, I'm inserting any one picture and just click on the insert. Okay, now once again I am inserting. First of all I want a new slide, that's why I click on new slides, and now I am insert what shape any shape. Okay, and drag this. Okay, so right now I taken three slides, and one by one I am going to give the transition effect. How you will give the transition effect? Very well noted. Just go to animation, there is a transition to the slide. Just click on anyone. Okay, and just give any transition effect like this. Then click on another slide and give transition effect like this. Okay, since this is so fast, just you will do the normal, that means slow. Okay, okay, and click on the next slide. Okay, and just select anyone. If you want to select by the multiple option, just to click here and select it. Now I also told you there is four types of effect. What? Entrance effect, exit effect, emphasis effect, and motion path. See, uh, when you go to the animation tab, see there is no animation. Just click on here and click on custom animation. Okay, at the right side you see that add effect. If you click here, then there is four types of effect you very well noted: entrance effect, emphasis effect, exit effect, and motion path. You can give any types of effect. Suppose that I am giving entrance effect, and suppose that this is the diamond. Just click on that. Once again, click on another slide. Okay, and go to the custom. Now, how you will see the slideshow? You better know that the shortcut key of slideshow is F5, or you can go to slideshow and just click on the from beginning, and once more click on the screen. See, again click, and again click. Okay, if you want to set the timing, in the previous video I already told you, once again I am telling you, just remove the on mouse click and here set on time, suppose at 3 seconds, and apply to all, and press F5. See, I am not clicking, but by default after 3 seconds, one by one appear on the, that means PowerPoint appear on the screen. Okay, thank you for today class.